We manage money, and trust of our LPs is very, very important. There's zero tolerance for anything that can hurt our reputation. For a private equity firm, the flip side of opportunities are risks. The whole function of risk management is to minimize those risks or have strategies to deal with those risks just in case they actually materialize. PE industry is going through quite a few changes. You have to preempt what those changes could be and how will they impact. In some of the geographies that we are operating, the geopolitical and geoeconomic risks are very high. The political conflicts, high inflation, macroeconomic risks, asset price collapse, those are the risks that are not under your control. How do you deal with that? You cannot control them, but you can be prepared to deal with them if they were to happen. So if your plans are in place, if you have built what-if scenarios, then it's easier to deal with them. You have your mitigating strategy in place. At the partner company level, we have a very powerful tool, which is value creation plan. If you have 5 pillars or 10 pillars of growth, you start focusing on them. And then you say, if something were to go wrong, what will you do about it? What are the threats to that particular initiative that you will be taking? So you're prepared from the beginning. We review these plans every year. It's a continuous process. If there are some corrective actions to be taken, they are specified, they're spelled out, and incorporated in the value creation plans. We have $7.5 billion under management. We have 150 plus companies in which we have invested. We have 14 regulators. We have 300 plus employees. We operate in 30 plus countries. If you put all of that together, the size and the risks multiply. You have to then manage those risks in a systematic manner. We have considered risk management as a very important function from the beginning. If you have the right culture, right people, right training, right values inducted in them, you minimize all of these risks. Culture is the most important. You have to set the right tone from the top.